Here's the patch of amaranth I found. There it is, right there. And that big one, I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't know, they're probably going to mow in a few minutes, so I better go hurry and pick this up. Not sure what kind of amaranth it is. It has these sort of teardrop-shaped leaves. They have holes in them, look like something's eating them. Well, I better go hurry and pick it before it gets mowed over. Okay, this is what's left of the amaranth patch I harvested earlier. The city had to mow this area, so there isn't any amaranth left. Doesn't matter anyway, the seed already started shattering, so it should grow back anyway next year if I come to pick it. Now, time to go thresh and harvest the amaranth from the package I have back in my dorm. It's 6:20 now. I harvested the amaranth at around 11:30. Okay, done recording. Okay, this is the amaranth I harvested earlier. I didn't get a chance to remove the leaves from the twigs and the seeds. Should be able to do that in a few minutes. The bag's got a bit damp. And we'll try winnowing it. Okay. It was 8 o'clock when I started winnowing this, and taking the leaves off this stem. It is now 11:20. And this is all the seed I got from this. So it looks like I'm gonna have to change my approach. I got a big stack of paper bags here. I'm gonna chop this up into smaller pieces, let it dry in the paper bags for a few weeks before I'm finishing winnowing off the rest of the amaranth. Okay, it's gonna take a lot longer than I thought, but whatever. It is 6:30, December 29th, 2018. I finally got a chance to finish winnowing out the wild amaranth. This is all I got. It's not even a quarter of a cup. And there's still so much chaff in there. I'm not going to risk popping that. A good portion of the seed doesn't look viable. Thankfully, I still have this packet right here from the same plant. I could try popping it, but I can imagine it bursting into flames with all the bits of twigs in there. I'll try using some avocado oil, but I'm not very optimistic about this. Hopefully when I actually grow it this year, I get enough for popping. Well, nice try. Oh, hopefully I get enough during the growing season.